Hi guys, it's me Asher, and today we're doing Lego Mindstorms. It's me, my dad right there.
Hey.
And let's just do this one.
Okay, so here's the stuff that came in the mail.
Yeah. I think I want to move my chair just a little bit.
Okay, that'll be fine. And so then we downloaded the program and got it installed on an old Windows 10 computer.
Yes.
So we'll go through it. So it says set up the software and prepare the EV3 core set before starting the lesson. Oh, by the way, we got the homeschool set.
Yeah, not the school set, the homeschool set.
Okay, so start reading there, pal.
Welcome to the EV3 lab. Now we will guide you through a few steps to prepare your EV3 core set for the activities to come. If you are starting with a new set, these steps can take up to 45 minutes.
So we'll do this in a few different videos.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, it's good.
So let's prepare. We'll now guide you through some steps to prepare your EV3 core set for your first activity. If you're starting with a brand new set, these steps can take up to 45 minutes.
You already said that.
Yeah. Alright, so next. Apply the stickers. Okay, so
this is where we unbox.
Yeah. So that's the power supply. This one's the expansion set, so we'll do that one later.
What does this do?
It's the power supply for the brick. Okay,
Oh.
so here's the stickers that they're talking about, and here's the...
So there's 3 different builds that we do right now.
Right.
Or those are probably some.
So let's see if it gives us a better picture of how to do these stickers on the next slide.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so use the top card to guide you through the sorting the smaller parts. With a sorting tray, use the bottom card to guide you through arranging the larger parts, such as cables, motors, sensors, and chargers in the bottom of the box.
Well, I guess chargers would be because, well, it's a robot.
Okay, so we're going to go back to the stickers. Alright,
Are those the stickers?
Yeah.
Well, I guess this is why it's going to take literally 2 hours.
Yeah, because we got to figure out which ones go where.
We're probably going to skip
Okay,
this up.
so that one looks like this one. Back cover. locate rechargeable battery. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, well, we did that. Let's go to 4 and see what's next. Okay, so insert the battery. So it says, find the battery pack. Are you listening? Or are you just playing? Alright, so we take this cover off. And now we're going to put this on there. And then that. Okay, so we did that. Download software and start building. Okay. Oh, look. Push it and it does something.
Oh, what does it do? Oh.
Alright, so we've done that. Power on your brick. Make sure it's working. Powered on by pressing the center button. We did that. And it says starting. Make sure the battery is fully charged. Oh, we didn't do that. But I'm sure it'll let us charge it while we're working. We'll find out. Cool. Made a noise. What did it say? Okay, so that looks like the programming screen. Okay, label your box and its parts. Label each box with numbers or name. Use the stickers provided to label all your set's electronic parts in the same way that you labeled your box. This will help keep track of your set. Okay.
Dad, I like watching gears move each other because one gear powers one gear, which a couple of gears would power a couple more gears. It's just interesting to watch. It's kind of like electricity.
That, rename your EV3 brick. EV3 is in priority. Before starting the lesson, you should change the name of your brick to something. Okay, watch the video to see how to rename your brick.
Do we have to rename the brick?
Yeah, we'll do it. Let's see, is this thing still recording? Okay. So, do that. Alright, are you watching? Because you're going to do it.
Wait, what?
Wait, what? Exactly. How do I go back? Is there not a dragger button to go backwards? What's it say? That wasn't trying to press escape, right? Alright, you ready? We'll make it big and it's already fine. Gotcha. Okay, so from that screen there, press that button. And go down to brick name.
Brick name.
Did you find it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Press the middle button.
Hold on, it didn't stop.
Yes, it's the middle button.
Okay.
Where's the letters thing? Where are my things? Oh.
What are you trying to rename it to?
Borky Boy.
What?
Borky Boy.
Borky Boy? Oh,
Yes.
that's a Borky Boy. Okay, and then so you know how to save it and all that good stuff.
Yes, there's a check mark.
Okay.
Okay, it's now renamed Borky Boy.
Okay, that's it. Your EV3 core set and brick should be
You mean
ready to
Borky
go.
Boy?
Borky
My
Boy
Borky
should be
Boy.
ready to go.
And Dad,
Try
look
it.
at the name on the top. It's actually called Borky Boy.
Okay, okay. Oh, it's got Wi-Fi, it's got Bluetooth, it'll sleep, volume. power control. Quick program save. Okay, so there, there. Oh yeah, it needs charging because it's, let's see. Is there a turn off thing? Sleep. Okay, so we'll do the next project later, so let's figure out how to turn this thing off. Okay, so that's it. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.